Welcome back to Wiring Products. Today we're going to talk about ANL fuse holders. I'm going to take the top off. And this is the fuse holder. These are ANL fuse holders. These are the ANL fuses. They start at 80 amp and go all the way up to 300 amp. Today I'm going to use 100. You take the screws off the top. There's several washers on these. So it's going to take me just a second here. All right. Okay, and then I'm going to grab my battery cables. I've got 2 of them. They're already made. You put one washer on one side and one washer on the other side, and then you connect, these are going to be a bear, then you connect your terminal on, put another flat washer down, take your battery cable from the other side and hook that on, okay, and then take your fuse and it just fits right on right there. And then take your washer, put it on. This washer goes on here. And take your nut and screw it on, thread that. And thread this one. And if this was in your vehicle, you would be doing it a lot tighter than this, but I'm just going to hand tighten this. I'm going to hook it up to my power source. I already hooked it up to my auxiliary earlier, and I'm going to give it juice. Are you ready? And juice. There you go. Okay, and it worked beautiful. And it comes with a top, and you just click the top on. And that is how we wire up an ANL fuse holder. Visit us at wiringproducts.com.